Assalamu alaikum, Gambia Nolo, assalamu alaikum, friends and family. Ngo, muna nan tolu damma look at the problem wala our society, we don't have nothing. Ndol African olo, ndol fata fingolo. We don't have nothing. Ndol man fensato. Ndol kebula molel no manga soto e bulo kono. But muna nan tolu damma ka bula nyono ka nyo hasidiya ka nyo jawya. Let's add this dollar. Jawya mon betia, hasidiya mon betia. We are saying we all need happiness and peace. Ite ko sungoni salo leke wol ben dino kono. Anite mankuto nanda kela walati. So muna atindol dammal ke nyo jawya for no reason. I don't know. Aliyaba nim fara mbira arjana la. Masala arjana mga soto nyamale. Ibe urala ya doko ke ko dikaso do ko nyame ya soto. Koma kumaro albole bulala. Ale jahiliya tala. Menna ko be re nyaato menta bulola la e deke akoy ko ni soñinna e kata e ko tinya e kata e ko koma iteme yalo ngo iteme foko la soto fente bulo kono hani dapanso e muka dino e la mol me yalo ngo dal ite fon kata e ke bulo deka way pour way ite ma koy o price fenna ite ko e kata e ko tinya e katinya menna manke kata morolia bare ka dugu dukol mel ka duma ka koma kuma ro mel ka duma ni ka hasidi ya mel ka duma kare betenne mi alon ko wala ko be te nyaaka ala yam ran kata ko le ala ngam fanjinin ka our society ndol be mu fata fi won lelti ndol be brother and sister lesoto and we are all from family nyimbe kuma bala pour nga hasidi ya tala nga jaw ya tala nga koma kuma ro tala sunkaro fela kanasi alla sungol na la bara salo al kasi kala al kadi ñinen mari ne la barajo akadi ya tella biko ite men kade kata tinyaka ite men kade kata ka koma kuma ikadi ya tella wata koma ro ala bula asungudi nin kundalen bang afoni ke kundalen bang amer kundalen bang ke ba anywhere in this world koma ro ala bula bulala ngangane fingol landi nyamo kono ngane sene asamba nyoka ngane fingol landi nyamo kono ngane sene asamba nyoka menna ko be re nyaato say muna na fuarol fol ke lo say ka fanka mal kuma ina nda kuma mu risin nela fanka ma ka fuaro kuma risin point fula doronna ala dandro siata wala ko problem ol siata fanka ma ka kuma ten bal fuaro le kello aka ko ele ke waya fanna wara ele ke fenta bulo kono fentati al sirim tuwadu sa akeda tenne odumo is not like that ita bo tinyan people love him because of his lifestyle people love him because he have a good heart but when you don't have a good heart don't think so people will love you or to like you when you see some people they have a friends good friends and more friends and the lovers this person asks how his character is. Whether he have a good character or he have a good manner. And the person will be a good person. People will love him. In dunia aja ni man kende amolte kanula. Fam forse to nyo kanoda ken. Jang. Fam forse to nyo kanoda ja daji ko le bayten na mol ye kanu. Hey, haramadu isa fengo be sanno le nafulo be bulo kono. Bal ni dia ita sanno la. Alinga singem fan jube nga tuwabol jube. They say they have everything, but they don't have happiness. But we African, we black, we don't have nothing, but we have happiness. Let's keep it. Why we want to throw it in the bin and to try to discuss each other. No reason. Hey, Allah jalol ya fole. Ale mem bless ni ta ko to ro jele te marne be boule siyo e bang dat. Ni fan ale fayala dimba kon. Hey, ale mbulu kon non jele masatalla ita wuluta ni le bulo le wuluta nyo bar bulu kon wala e dandi nyola so society fa better ratenne ni motara fa wuluta a bulu kon ni wulu ani wol mel nata ni nata na nyola bulu kon wala nyoda dan so ko family isu and so ko di ni nata indi kabilo la side la ani nata sate wala side ani nata ni banko la fonse tara nyo nyaata bari ko ye sonno ma kiliya soto pour kare nyi soto lam fan laftal ngaso bari ma ko ye sonno ma kiliya soto pour kare kan nyine ke ndama la fay keteng kare nyi soto malla fay nyi soto o mu hasili yalati nimbora yembita our own sisters. I warn you guys, and today I will come with the full power. Whether I will come to blow your nose or I blow your mouth. Our sisters. Hey, alme mira banko nyin dunia be bannala atol fon be bannala sako nyin social media me alongo dalal kal ga nyo competition lat. It's not correct. Hey, life is mission. It's not a competition, my brothers and sisters. The internet is just a family connection. Before mol dunta in Europe jannu before tol kana internet ol mansoro. Wolka ebule karakile sandal kila family call. Dolkel later sa la family de. Basa masata la call so tol new generation ol ye. Santol dammal ko be nyon hasidi yala for no reason. Darajom ka sanno bitikoto, my brother and sister. Darajom ka sanno bitikoto, my sisters. Darajom we found manku toileti. Ye baraku kendola. Iteli ya like we ma like mol be like la. Ye good heart sort of with the people. People will love you and to love you and to like you. But when you hear the people don't think so, people will like you. No. When you pretend people behind, don't think so people will love you. No, you don't deserve it. But I have to tell you guys, please, the internet is for opportunity to build a family connection and to make each other laugh and to make each other happiness. But it's not like to challenge each other or to insulting each other. It's wrong and it's nasty. When I see this in social media, only our Gambians are doing it. Only our Gambians are insulting each other day and night. Even in Senegal, our neighbors, I don't see this kind of sign there. Guinea is neighbors, I don't see it. Mali, I don't see it. Nigeria, I don't see it. But all about, I see it in internet. Since the Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Now we come to TikTok to touch each other head, to make each other happy. Now people want to blow that too. I will come to you guys. Please, I'm begging you, my brother and sisters, stop about this kind of nasty things. Stop about this kind of nasty things. We are here to make ourselves happy, not to attack each other and to challenge each other or to competition. And I don't Gambia no alfelentinde. Kabila mo ko internet o ka kodo make jele. O man nyina ko inanta ko sambala nyaado nyama. Ise mol jele ni no le barajo soto, hari man ko soto noje. Ise mol kontani no le barajo, hari man ko soto noje. Because haramari ngo me ala niyo da. Akoy niyo nanta sewo la le. Niyo la kumbo manyena kele watu wasakala ni kuya. Barsani nada ka jube. Ite niyo sewo ne barajo soto. Ite niyo kuya ne junu ba jella soto. Anita maran ko dem muslimolti. Anita maran ko sunne ka sali. This is not love for my brothers and sisters. Allah try. We have good connection. We united. We make each other life to be solved. To come in internet to insult each other and to attack each other, this does not make any sense. You cannot know even how you are making your hustling. And you cannot know how you can motivate yourself and or your children to be a good person. Because when you put a bad record in this internet, don't think so your children, they will have a respect. No. No, and never. They will not have a respect. So it's better you have to do some record what is lawful and what is peace and what is grateful. If you are not alive, your parents, your sisters, or your children, they can have a good manner. People, they will point this son, they say, oh, this father was a good worker. He was giving people a good idea. This mother is a good worker. He was giving before his death. But niye man kuto men tutu jam. Wolbe fali nede. Sister Solo. Ntol mkalum be internet o sambala nyame. Internet like to make a joke. Purun damale society, damale latinyola. The typical body bunker. I don't know many people that time I was in Gambia. But since 2016 election time, I'm coming to involved in internet, in the social media. Since 2016. And we don't know this kind of problem in there. But now, 2016, 17, 18, 19, 18, everything is catastrophic. Everyone, they just start to attack each other, insult each other. We think so this is like someone is in your beer, say, very good, this person, you will go to the fire. Maribita dimba ke solo kon menke ignore. Dole internet was start 2015 nela. But 15, 16, 17, 18, mel monka ge social media. But can I start 19 nakata for now 2021 ne konal ka be 2021 ne talaka sumkandi kata ka nyabur keso mandi ndamal ka bula nyola ka nyo neng. I will come to attack you guys. It's better. They who honor of the internet, they block all Gambian people. They cannot use the internet because internet is there for just make yourself happy and to make people happy. And just to know the people. To know the people, to connection. But it's not like to attack each other. I'm using it now almost 5 years. I never and ever have any one problem in internet. What God give me on my mind, I just come to speak it out. And what is truthness, I just come to speak it out. People love me. I love them back. I like people. People like me back. I respect the people. People respect me back. This has to be your aim. When you don't have this kind of aim, you are in wrong way and wrong direction. Gambian, we say we are Gambian. Gambia is a smiling because West Africa. But no more smiling is there. Everything is disappear. And ngani moy ntol dammal ke ñoo ngay bol fintindi ntol dammal ke ñoo la audio fintindi odi kendele mba odi what kind of nonsense is going on in this world now ya masata la dunia parakasi na be dahaba be daha dol be je tol be daando hani mon futula fonka futuwol diyan ne ka dunia la diyan ne e tol mo la fonke da mon ke la hale I will come to you guys.